Welcome to our channel. Activating your Citizens Bank expense card online prepares it for use on work-related purchases. Step 1. Locate the activation website provided by Citizens Bank with your expense card materials. Step 2. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and type in the activation URL. Step 3. On the activation page, find the section for card activation or new card setup. Step 4. Enter your full 16-digit expense card number found on the front of the card. Step 5. Provide the 3-digit CVV security code located on the back of the card in the signature panel. Step 6. Enter your employee identification number or other employer-provided verification details. Step 7. Provide additional personal verification such as your date of birth or social security number last 4 digits. Step 8. Create a 4-digit personal identification number for your expense card. Choose a memorable but secure combination. Step 9. Confirm your PIN by re-entering it to ensure accuracy. Step 10. Review any expense policies or spending limits set by your employer displayed during activation. Step 11. Click the Activate, Submit, or Complete button to finalize your activation. Step 12. Wait for the confirmation screen showing successful activation of your Citizens Bank expense card. Step 13. Sign the back of the card with a permanent marker. Your expense card is now ready for approved business expenses and purchases. Keep all receipts for expense reporting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.